I'm going to show you something that's never been seen before on telly. My bedroom when 10 in the dark. Now, okay, I know you can't actually see anything, so let's open the door and shine some light into the bedroom. And that's where this stuff comes in. Chalk. Now, just watch this. To draw an open door in the dark, just draw 3 sides of the door in chalk. And you notice I'm doing the top edge of the door and the bottom edge of the door slightly slanted. And the more you slant it, the more open the door is. And when the door is open, the light starts to flood in. And light floods in straight lines. So just flick the light out, flick the chalk like that in straight lines, radiating from all directions away from the door. Okay, so now we've got some light in the room. Now we can see some of the objects actually in the room. But you know, we'll only be able to see down one side of the object because the light is shining from down the side of the object that's nearest to the door. Now, I used to have my bed over this side of the room and used to have round knobs on the top like this. This was the headboard, and this is the side of the bed that's facing the open door. And there's the pillow, so the light is just shining down the edge of the pillow like that. And there's the sheets. Again, the light is just shining down the edge of the sheets nearest to the door. And then down the bottom here, we've got the footboard. Again, it had just a little round knob on the top. Now, because these are rounded edges, I'm just going to smudge them a little bit because the light will be shining slightly round the corner of those sheets. And next to my bed, there was a bedside table. So again, I'm just doing the light shining down one side of the table, and it had round knobs on it. So I'm just going to draw these half knobs in the chalk, and there's a lamp on the table. Again, just half a lamp, and on top of the lamp, there was a light shade. And again, they were slightly rounded, so I'm just going to smudge them ever so slightly, because the light was just picking up that rounded edge. And from the ceiling, I had a light, and that also had a light shade on it, which was also rounded, so I'm just going to smudge that slightly. As you see, the light just creeps round those rounded edges. And down here on the floor, when I was really young, I used to have a rocking horse, so if I just do the light shining on those edges nearest the door's over here, it's shining onto the horse, so I'm just going to do back of the horse, and at its ears, and just the top of its tail there, and then neck under here, nice long legs on it. But I'm not really drawing anything properly, I'm not completing anything, I'm just doing the white chalk down one side, the side that's nearest the light. There it goes. And there it is, my bedroom when I was 10 in the dark. Try it yourself. A bit of black paper, a little bit of chalk, and shine some light into your bedroom.
Now that is a really effective tip, using white chalk on black to let the light in. Shall I let the light in on where I sleep? Well, I sleep in here, don't I? So there!